I am
This
here
is a
in protest with
demonstration
the
of
college
Flip from
students
Act.
from Georgia State and Georgia Tech.
Protesting what now?
Well, they're protesting against equality and change. You know, we don't like the way the government is allowing us to be able to, you know, utilize our various, degrees and, you know, our job market into the, you know, society without it having to be
This is a
uproared by the,
demonstration of
you know,
Flip from Act.
fear of what the government is constantly putting on us. Everywhere I go traveling throughout the train system and the rail system, you have Homeland Security everywhere. So, you know, how can I very well concentrate on, you know, getting a job and getting through school without having to, how can I stay focused without having to worry about, you know, whether or not I'll make it home safe or, you know,
This is a
the fear
demonstration
factor that
of Flip
that
from
the
Act.
government has going on with us thinking that something bad is going to happen with our serenity and our peace and our homeland security will become insecure. And it bothers me for these school-age kids to be going through what they're going through. I don't think it's fair at all.